Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the boldest and most exciting machines on the road. Today, we're diving into a winter warrior that's redefining luxury and performance in the motorhome segment, the 2025 Kenworth SnowDrifter LX motorhome truck. This isn't just a truck, it's an all-terrain, snow-ready palace on wheels. From the outside, the SnowDrifter LX demands attention. Its aerodynamic front grille, custom frost-resistant paint job, and reinforced snowplow-ready bumper show it means business. With LED Arctic Vision headlights and fog lamps, this beast cuts through the darkest winter nights with ease. And let's not forget the rugged 24-inch all-weather tires and full underbody protection, ready to dominate icy roads, snowy trails, or any terrain thrown its way. Under the hood, the 2025 SnowDrifter LX is powered by a monstrous 15.0 Cummins X15 engine, producing a staggering 605 horsepower and 2,050 of torque. Whether you're towing gear to a ski lodge or powering up a frozen mountain pass, this motorhome truck delivers relentless performance and incredible reliability. The 18-speed automated transmission and intelligent torque management system make for a smooth and powerful ride, no matter the weather. Step inside, and you're transported from the cold outside into pure luxury. The SnowDrifter LX features a heated interior with Arctic-grade insulation, radiant floor heating, and smart climate zoning. The living area is equipped with plush leather seating, a real wood fireplace, and triple-pane thermal windows for a cozy view of the snowy landscape. The full kitchen includes a dual-burner induction cooktop, convection oven, and a snow-chilled wine cooler. In the bedroom, there's a king-size memory foam bed with built-in massage, a panoramic skylight to watch the northern lights, and custom cabinetry crafted from reclaimed Alaskan timber. The bathroom is equally impressive with a walk-in rain shower, heated towel racks, and a toilet with a water purification system because even in the wilderness, comfort matters. Tech-wise, the SnowDrifter LX doesn't disappoint. A 50-inch retractable 4K screen, satellite internet, voice command lighting, and a full smart home system are all integrated. And for power, it comes with a hybrid solar-diesel energy setup, ensuring you're always off-grid ready. Safety is also top tier. With adaptive snow traction control, blind spot radar, winter mode, lane assist, and a 360-degree surround camera system with thermal night vision, Kenworth made sure you're protected every mile of your adventure. The 2025 Kenworth SnowDrifter LX is not just a motorhome, it's a statement. It tells the world you're not afraid to explore where others turn back. Starting at around $790,000, it's an investment in power, freedom, and comfort for those who live life beyond the asphalt. If you're the kind of traveler who chases the storm instead of avoiding it, this truck was built for you. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the world's most powerful motorhomes and truck. Stay warm, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next video.